Welcome to our video on how to create a vertical herb garden. In this video, we will show you step by step how to design and build your own vertical herb garden to grow a variety of fresh herbs right at home. With this space-saving solution, you can have a thriving herb garden even if you have limited space. Let's get started. The first step in creating your vertical herb garden is choosing the right location. Look for a spot that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Herbs need plenty of sunlight to thrive. It's also important to consider factors like accessibility and convenience for regular maintenance. Keep these things in mind as you select the perfect location. Now it's time to design your vertical herb garden. You can choose from various designs like a wall-mounted herb garden, a hanging herb garden, or even a freestanding herb tower. Consider the available space and your personal preferences when deciding on the design. Make sure to plan for proper drainage and sufficient space for each herb to grow. Before you start building, gather all the necessary materials and tools. You will need items like wooden planks, screws, a drill, a level, a measuring tape, and a staple gun. Make a list of all the materials required based on your chosen design. Having everything ready will make the building process smoother and more efficient. Now it's time to start building your vertical herb garden. Follow the design plan and use your tools to assemble the wooden planks into the desired structure. Make sure everything is level and secure. Once the structure is built, you can attach containers or planters to hold your herbs. Consider using lightweight materials to minimize the overall weight of the garden. With your vertical herb garden built, it's time to start planting your herbs. Choose a variety of herbs that you enjoy and that are suitable for your climate. Fill the containers or planters with a high-quality potting mix and carefully plant each herb. Make sure to provide enough space between the plants for proper growth. And don't forget to label each herb for easy identification. To ensure the success of your vertical herb garden, proper care is essential. Water your herbs regularly, but be careful not to overwater them. Most herbs prefer well-drained soil, so monitor the moisture levels. Fertilize your herbs as needed and prune them to promote bushier growth. Regularly check for pests and disease and take necessary steps to control them. After some time, your herbs will be ready for harvesting. Harvest the herbs by cutting off the mature leaves as needed. Enjoy the fresh aroma and flavors of your homegrown herbs in your cooking and beverages. With your vertical herb garden, you can have a continuous supply of fresh herbs throughout the year. Congratulations! You've learned how to create your own vertical herb garden. It's a wonderful way to have fresh herbs at your fingertips and enhance your culinary creations. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!